So now if you notice, we are having step definition file, this one, okay, and also we are having this one, which is contact us no, sign in test cases, right? For the sign in we have having total 4 steps, okay. All 4 step implementation is done yesterday, okay, and we are able to run the feature file from the feature, okay. We are able to get the results, that is also good. And what I said, actually we have to run the test cases from the test runner only in future, right? To run a one single file it is okay, but as per the standards we have to run the test cases from the, which is under the Cucumber options, test runner. From here we have to run, okay. So here if you notice properly, I am using a features here. Under that one, src test java features, nothing but I have given the folder of the features. What I did, I have given the folder of the features. Under that folder, how many scenario files I am having? 3 scenario files, okay. If I click on that one, I mean if I click on the run button, it is running the all 3 feature files. So that is why we are getting some undefined implementation like that. So I'm running this again. Click on the run, okay. So I just clicked on the run button. Once I click on this run button, and you can see here in the right hand side, it is showing total 4 scenarios, okay. Nothing but in total 4 scenarios are there. Under that one we are having total 19 steps. Why 4 scenarios? Let's see here, okay. Sign in test cases, how many? 2 scenarios. Contact us, 1 scenario. Create account, 1 scenario. Total how many? 4 scenarios. That's why it is showing the 4 scenarios. This 4 scenarios contains total 19 steps. 19 steps is nothing but all given, when all together it is 19 steps, okay. What it is telling, actually this 4 are in from the 4, okay. It is telling that total 19 steps are there. From that one, it is telling you can implement the missing steps with the snippet below. Missing steps, what is the meaning of missing steps? Missing steps is nothing but, if you notice here, we have implemented this, the first one, okay. We have implemented this one also, but we haven't implemented third, fourth, fifth, sixth. All these things we haven't implemented, okay. We haven't implemented all these things, okay. When you haven't implemented all these things, you have to implement them, okay. So for that reason, it is giving a code to us. So see here, let's go one by one. So enter the email. I think this is done. Enter the email. Yeah, it is there. It is not implemented. Enter the email id and create account section. See here, enter email id and create account section, okay. It is showing. Enter the first name. Where is that? It is here. Enter first name, okay. Enter last name, okay. Maybe in the below of this one, just to come down. See here, enter last name, enter password, enter submit button. All these things are we haven't implemented, okay. If you are not implementing, okay, we are getting a type of snippet code, okay. Implement all these methods in your code. What it is telling, implement all these methods in your code. We are having two options now. One is you can copy this one, okay, and go to the tidy gherkin. Yesterday I told you, right? Go to the tidy gherkin, paste your code over here, click on the Java steps, and you got the code here. Yeah, you got the code here, okay. All these things you got the code, okay. This is the one option. Assume that if this tidy gherkin is not available in future, okay. Just imagine this tidy gherkin is not available in the coming future. Assume that the company itself vanished, okay, or else in your company they are not allowing you to use this one, okay. In those cases, what you have to do it is, you can use your own test runner to get the methods for each and every step. This is the another way. I'm just showing the another way here, okay. But ultimately we have to run the test cases from the test runner only, okay. So as of now, if you notice, only 4 steps implemented, Okay, that is also some like sysout things. Okay, where is that one? It is here, like this we have implemented. Okay, so far it is clear, right? Any doubts from the so far?
Repeat once again.
Okay, so I mean, whatever we discussed yesterday, right? So what we did actually, we are having total 8 steps. Okay, from these 8 steps, so these 4 steps and these 4 steps are duplicated, and we have implemented step definition for each and every step. Okay, by using tidy Gherkin. Yesterday we did that one. Tidy Gherkin we have used, we have copy pasted in the step definition, and for each and every step are available here. Okay, what we did actually, for each and every step we have used the some sysouts. Okay, like that I am using. Okay, so this is working fine, and what I said actually, you can run the test cases by using this one. So click on the run button and we are getting the output, not this one actually. Where is that feature file? See here. So when I click on the run button, it is showing like this, one test case and two test cases. It is working fine. Okay, so I can also run this feature file from the test runner, which is from the here, from test runner. So we have created this class file yesterday. Okay, the name of the class file is test runner. So for this class file I am giving some annotations. How many annotations I am giving? Two annotations. The first one it is run with, second one it is cucumber options. In the cucumber options, what I am doing actually, I am giving features and as well as files. Glue is nothing but a step definition. Features. Okay, under the features I am giving the path of the my feature files. Where is my feature files? Actually it is here. See here, I'm giving the path. Okay, my feature files are under src test java features. Okay, so that is what I have given the feature files location. And the next one it is glue. Glue is nothing but step definition. Where is your step definitions are available? Okay, step definitions are available from this location. Okay, these two things I have captured yesterday only. This is also okay. So how do I am running? So I am running the test cases by using clicking on the run button. So assume that I clicked on the run button and it is telling that total 4 scenarios. Yes, we are having total 4 scenarios. Why? Because under this feature, okay, we are having total 4 scenarios. Okay, under this feature package, we are having 3 feature files, 1, 2 and 3. This contains 2 test cases, this contains 1 test case, this contains 1 test case. Total how many? It is 4. Okay, so it ran all 4 test cases. See, it is showing all 4 test cases here. If you notice, 4 test cases it is showing actually. Okay, so now if you notice, okay, now if you notice, this 4 test cases are having total 19 steps. So total 19 steps. Okay, total 19 steps. These 19 steps it is showing over here. So you can see here. See this 19 steps it is showing. Okay, so sorry, this 4 test case having total 19 steps. Okay, so in the 19 steps we have implemented 4 steps already. Okay, the remaining steps we haven't implemented in the step definitions. Okay, those things are coming here. It is telling that you still some pendings are there in your project. Okay, implement all of these things. Okay, it is giving like this. That is what I am trying to achieve here. Okay, simple. Either you can use this option. Okay, if you don't like this option, right, the regular option is already available, which is copy paste your code in the tidy Gherkin and then get the code. This is the best option. Okay, why I am telling this much of big information? In the sense, by any chance if your company is not allowing this tidy Gherkin plugin, at that moment you have to use the inbuilt method of the cucumber. But as far as I know, 95 companies are allowing the tidy Gherkin. Only few companies, okay, are not allowing the tidy. Only few, in the sense like a very few companies. I can tell 99% almost. Okay, because that is a normal plugin and that is not a harm to your company. Okay, yeah, it's like
Sir,
that.
sir, other than tidy gherkin, is there an option?
Other than tidy gherkin, that is the option I am telling, right? We have to run this one and get the step definitions like this.
Like tidy gherkin, is there any
Like
other
that
method?
tidy gherkin, right?
Yes.
I think we have many in the market, but this is the one of the easy method actually. There are some, but the workaround solutions are we have to do. Tidy gherkin is one of the easy method actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now coming back. Okay. So let's coming back to the actual what we are learning today. So all these things are available. So let's get the step definition for all these things. So remember guys, I am using static gherkin only because that is one of the best one. So copy this, go back here, Control A, Control V, and get the methods. Okay. So right click, copy, go back here, step definition. Okay. Click on the enter. That's it. Remove all these lines. You know that already. Okay. These two are already, this is already implemented, right? Open browser navigator, it is already exist. And this one and this one. What is other test case? Create account. So copy all these things, right click, copy, go back to tidy gherkin, delete the existing one, right click, paste it, and you got the methods. These two are not required. Why? Because it is already implemented. I need the remaining things.
Sir, tidy gherkin uses ఏంటి సార్? What is the
చెప్పాను కదా, you are getting the snippet code immediately. You don't need to write. So are we writing methods now? No, right? We are
oh
just
sir.
copy pasting.
Okay.
Okay. See here, I'm
Duplicate ఉన్నవి తీసేస్తారా సార్?
duplicate nothing. If you notice here, if I copy the entire thing, copy this, go back here, it don't delete anything actually. So see here, if I paste it here, it is throwing an error actually. Okay, it is, see, all these things are throwing error over here in the line number 50. Inside the method is throwing an error, but in the line number 39 and 44, it is throwing the error in the method itself. What it is telling actually, rename or delete you have to do. Okay, so I can delete. Why? Because these two methods are already implemented. See here, open browser, navigate to something, and click on the sign in. Why? Because see here, open browser, navigate something, and click on the sign in. Why? Because these two methods I have implemented as part of sign in test cases. Okay, the same step I am using in all the test cases, so that's why it is not required for me. So I can delete these two, cut this one, and now from the remaining steps, remove these things. Done. Okay, this is done. And now what is the next? Okay, all steps are done. Okay, now what you do, it is just copy paste whatever we have there in the last what do you call, project. Okay, so see here, as I said already, we have to use the existing POM method. Okay, what is the existing POM method here? If you notice, open this, we are having, where is my this is the one, right? We have pages. See this, pages. Okay, copy this, pages, and come back to your Cucumber project and paste it here. Right click on this, paste it. So I just copy pasted the all the pages here. Okay, I am not rewriting. Okay, so it will take some time to rewrite, but everything is ready with me. Okay, so authentication page, all it is ready, contact us page is ready, create account page is ready, home page is ready, my account page is ready, all these things are ready with me. Okay, it is done. And now what is I need extra now? I need the test base. Okay, create the package test base, click on the finish, right click on this, go to the new, and click on the class, okay, which is test base. Okay, this is what we have to do. Okay, this is what we have to do. And now what is the next job here? It is you have to create a one method here in the test base. If you notice in last where is our project, selenium June, right? If you open the existing test base, we are having before method one method, after method one method, before test one method, after test one method. Okay, all these methods are from the test engine. Okay, all these methods are from the test engine. Okay, if you notice, but are we using testng here? No, we are not using testng. We are using the cucumber. Cucumber is not having all these types of before method, after method, before test, after test, before should have. Those things are not available in the cucumber. Cucumber is having its own annotations. Okay, so now what I will do, I am creating a one method in the cucumber which is public. Okay, web driver I am giving actually public. I am creating a one web driver method. Okay, import that one. Okay, name of the method which is setup. I am creating a name of the method which is a setup actually. Okay, so the name of the method I am creating is done. One second, my system is struck. Yeah, the name of the method, it is setup or before test, whatever it is. Okay, you can create a one method actually here. Okay, so what you have to do after creating the method? Okay, the regular job like normally what we do, right? Okay, so opening the browser, expanding the browser, okay, all those things you can do it here actually. Okay, how to do, I will show you now. So the regular one, you can copy the regular what do you call where is my test base? Yeah, see here, you can copy paste the regular one like this, which is okay, system.set property web driver dot chrome driver. Okay, the driver one, and then driver is called new chrome driver. Okay, maximize the window, navigate to the automationpractice.com, implicit wait and page load time, and maximize the window. All this is all duplicated, right? Yeah, all these things which you can use. Okay, so there is an error in the line number 12 because we haven't declared the web driver. Okay, so I'll declare the web driver in the top. Same thing, I'm not doing any extra stuff here. Public web driver static, right? We use web driver. Okay, done. Okay, and as this is a web driver method, it's not a void method. Apart from void method, whatever we use, we have to return something. I will return the driver itself. Return driver. That's it, done. Okay, apart from this we are not doing anything in the test base. This is what we have to do in the test base. Okay, and now what you have to do it is go back to your step definitions. See this step definitions. From this step definition, what you have to call it, do it is you have to call the method. Okay, what is the method name? Setup. Okay, setup is a method name, right? You have to call that one. Okay, so far it is good.
Sir, don't we need to change the names of the classes?
Names of the classes, I didn't get.
Dot feature.
Dot feature is for this one only, right? These are the feature files. Okay,
Only in that.
only in that. Remaining all are Java files only.
Okay.
Okay, feature file is only for the steps. For these steps only we need a feature files. Okay, what we are doing for each and every feature file, we are redirecting a one Java method. Okay, redirecting the one Java method. So if you notice, click on this. So this is a Java method. Go back to another one. Click on this, one more Java method. Okay, just for the feature files only we are writing the normal extension is dot feature file. Under that one we write all our regular plain English, Gherkin language. Okay, so now all step definitions are ready with me. Okay, but inside the step definitions, nothing is available. I just given the a plain system.out.println. I am not doing any extra stuff here. Okay, now what I will do, I will add my selenium code under that. Okay, so there is a question actually from Archana. All the definition write in single Java file. Yes, you can write in single Java file, or you can write in multiple Java file. Okay, anything is fine, nothing wrong in that. Okay, so I will send the yesterday's files. I forgot actually. Okay, so now come back. Okay, now come back to the step definitions. So what we have to do it is, from the step definitions we have to connect to the test base. Okay, the regular one, which is, you can extend this, right? Extends test base. You know this one, how to extend. Import the class file. Extending the test base is done. Okay, now what we have to do. Okay, now what we have to do, that is a question actually. After extending the test base, it is not enough actually. So we have to do, write some logic under the test base. Okay, so what we have to do it is, first we have to create a object. Okay, first what we have to do it is, we have to create an object of that one. Okay, how to do and all I will show you now. Okay, so what we have to do it is, create a object of the page. Okay, so from the home from the test base, right, we are having an what do you call a method which is like a setup method. Okay, we have to do that one. Just to hold on, this is the problem with working from home. Where I am actually, somewhere, yeah, this is our step definition, right? And now what you do it is, you have to create a one method. Okay, create a one method, the regular method, which is public. Okay, in the implementation file I am telling, in the step definition file. Okay, public void. Okay, something like can create okay, setup. Okay, one more setup you can give, nothing wrong in that. Okay, yeah, so setup implementation. Okay, setup implementation I have given. Okay, so after giving setup implementation, right, what you have to do, okay, you have to call the test base method. What is the name of the method here? Okay, the name of the method is setup, right? Okay, so go back here and now call like this. Okay, driver is equals to new, the name of the method, open and close like this. Okay, you have to call a method something like this. Okay, after calling the method, what you have to do, okay, what you have to do it is, I'll show you. So this is not a straightforward thing, some logic we have to use here. Okay, what is the logic and all I will tell you now. So one second, there is a system struck again. Why system struck is happening? Now it is working. Okay, something wrong. Okay, something wrong with the system, it's not controlling. Okay, so go to the test base and here we have to create a one static method. Okay, in the test base we have to create the static WebDriver, and also we have to create the static WebDriver method as well. So two things we have to do. And now come back to step definitions. You can call directly that method by using class name dot method name. We know that one already. So test base dot name of the method. What is the name of the method? The name of the method is setup. Okay, it is done. Okay, super. So after completion of this one, what we have to do? So if you notice, we are having three different test cases. One is create account test cases, another one is homepage test cases, contact us test pages, and etc. We are having actually. Okay, so if you notice, where is our pages file? It is here. Okay, this is our pages. Okay, if you notice all these things, our pages. Now what we have to do it is, we have to create the object for all of these things. We have to create the object for all of these things. So how to create the project? Sorry, we have to create the objects. So now you can directly create authentication page. Okay, space. Okay, ap authentication page. The next one it is contact us page, which is contact us. Let's go with the proper name actually, auth obj, and contact us obj. And the next one it is create account obj. So you have to create all the objects. Create account pages, create account obj. It is also done. The next one it is home page. Okay, home page. Okay, home page obj. This is also done. The last one it is my account page. My account page, my account obj. This is also done. So we have created all the objects for each and every page. Okay, you can keep it as public, whatever you want. Okay, nothing wrong in that. Okay, however we are using in the same page, right? It may or it may not require. Okay, and now what you have to do? Okay, so what you have to do it is like how we did in the previous classes. Okay, in the regular, if you notice, come back to your uh, selenium project, and if you notice our regular test base, what we did, we have created the objects like this. Okay, and then for all the objects, what we did, we are passing the driver here. Okay, I mean using driver or event handler. Okay, anything we can pass. Okay, event handler also having the driver. Okay, you can pass anything here. It is done. So like the same here also, what we have to do it is, we have to pass the driver. Okay, the first one it is auth obj. Auth obj is equals to new authentication page. Okay, and we have to pass the driver here. Okay, like that we have to pass. Okay, 1 second, I'm getting contact us obj is equals to new contact us. Okay, and under this also I will need to pass the driver. Okay, so for all the objects, okay, we have to pass the, so for contact us, I think it's a plain class, you don't have anything here. You can remove that one, not a problem. And what is next? Create account. Let's see, first of all, create account is also empty. What is the next one? Home page. Home page, we are having a class file, so which is home page object is equals to new home page. Okay, we have to pass the driver here. That is also done. And what is next? The last one is my account page. Okay, my account page, new, not this object we have to take. This is the object, and new my account page driver, done. Okay, all these are done. So if you notice here, contact us page, we don't have anything implementation, and also in the create account pages we don't have any implementation. Okay, so far it is good. So we are already having all these things. So let's get started. So now what is the first one? Actually, open the browser and navigate to some page. Okay, so it is already implemented indirectly in the test base. So see here, in the test base, we are already opening the browser and navigating to that page, and it is done. Okay, this is already implemented indirectly. Okay, this is already implemented indirectly. What you do it is, whatever the methods are, whatever we have written, right? So cut this one, keep it over here. cut that guy, keep it over here. Like this we have to do. Okay, and delete this one. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, delete this one. And now from what we have to do is, I need to click on the sign in link, right? How do I click on the sign in link? From the home page. So now simple, home page obj dot get sign in link dot click, same the regular job. And what is next? Enter the username and password. How do I enter the username password? By using authentication page. Okay, auth obj dot, okay, username and password, which is set login email, which is argument 1, and auth obj dot set login password, which is argument 2, and then we have to click on the login button, right? Auth page dot get login submit button. This is also done. Okay, so these three things are done. Okay, and what is next? After completion of these three things, okay, after completion of these three things, verify my account page displayed or not. Okay, verify my account page displayed or not. How do I verify? Okay, so we have created some already, okay, which is my account object dot get heading. I am checking actually. Okay, I am getting the heading dot get text. I'm getting the text. I'm storing the text somewhere like this string. Okay, heading. Okay, and I wanted to verify that one, right? Asset dot asset true. Okay, by using I can verify. Okay, asset dot asset true. Okay, I need to pass this heading, and also I need to verify with some text. What is the text exactly? Go back here, automationpractice.com. From the automationpractice.com, go here. Yeah, we have to verify this my account. So copy this and paste it. This is what normally we do, right? So, and if you notice, there is an error actually, asset dot asset true. What it is telling actually, the method asset dot asset string, okay, string boolean.
Sir, I think we have to use boolean.
Oh, asset dot asset true, not asset dot asset true. Asset dot asset equals expected actual. Okay, we have to do. So copy this. We have to verify two things, right? If it is, yeah, this is what we have, not asset dot asset two, sorry, asset dot asset equals. Why? Because we need to verify two strings here. Okay, one is the one which is coming from the home page, okay, dynamically, and one is with this static code. Okay, if both are matching, I am making the test case as a pass, otherwise it will throw in error actually. Okay, this is done. Like the same, what is the next step? Click on the contact us link. Okay, what I have to do? Contact us object. Contact us object dot, no, to click on the contact us, from where we click on the contact us? From the home page, right? So now home page, yes, home page object dot get contact us link dot click, we have to do. Okay, and what is next? Verify the contact us page is displayed or not. Okay, so for the same, now what we have to, contact us page object we have to do dot get acha, let's see whether we have contact us page any implemented. No, we haven't implemented anything under the contact us page. Okay, for now we can park that one. Okay, for the time being I'm parking for this one because we don't have anything under that one. And now enter email id in the create account. Okay, so how do I enter the email id? From the authentication page dot set email, set create account email, string argument 1, done. Okay, and this is enter first name last name. This is, all these things are of the create account page. So in the create account page also we haven't implemented anything. We can keep that one as ideal. Okay, so now come back to your test cases. Where is the test cases? Features. Okay, sign in test case. So this is a sign in test case. Let's me run first sign in test case. Okay, let's see whether it is working or not. After that one only we will learn. Sign in test cases dot feature. Copy the name of the feature file and go back to your Cucumber options. Okay, in the Cucumber options, earlier what we are using, we are giving the folder name of the feature, but now I want to run only one single feature file. If you wanted to run one single feature file, right, at that moment you have to use this one. At that moment you have to provide the single feature name here. Okay, and now click on the run button. Okay, it is running the only one single feature. Super. So what has happened actually, it is running but it is not running properly. Still it is showing you can implement it missing steps. We have already, right, sign in. So we have already implemented what it is telling actually. Open browser navigate to, it is implemented. It's supposed to go there, right? It is showing all are not implemented, but we have implemented all the test cases. Let's see what is the problem. Okay, the problem it is, I understand. I have copy pasted the code, right? Sometimes it is a problem actually. So if you notice, see this. What is this? Step. Did anyone found the issue? What is the folder name here?
Definition.
Here,
Step definition.
here it is ending with S and here it is ending with not S. Okay, that's a problem. So let me copy this one and paste it here. Now it will work. So click on the run button. It is not working, right? Yeah. So now click on the run button, it will work. Super. So we ran this one and we got the errors. Yeah, good. When we are getting the issues, it is always good actually. So see here, three scenarios fail. Okay, okay. Driver executable does not exist. What happened actually, we have copy pasted the code. So see here, we have copy pasted the code actually. Okay. So it is telling that this driver is not available. Okay. Santosh class, testing class, batch, December, it is not available. That is what it is telling actually. So let's copy from the previous class actually. Where is the, it is selenium June and our drivers are here. Copy the drivers from the previous class and paste it here. It is done. Drivers. Okay. And now from here what you have to do is drivers, right? Drivers underscore notes, that is a notes, right? So let's, what we have to do, what is the command to get the project location? System dot, we forgot all. System dot get property, get property of, what is the location? Sorry, no, I am asking this one. To get the project location, what I have to do? System dot get property user directory, right? User dot dir. So with this I am getting the current location of the directory. Under this one, where is my folder? It is here, right? So I have to provide this location. So the entire location I have to give. This is the project, right? From here I can give. So copy this and then paste it. That's it. Okay, and now you run this, it will work. So where is my test runner is here, and click on the run button. Yes, Chrome driver is open and it is maximized, and yeah, it started working on that one. Done, I think. Execution is done. So both rest cases got failed, right? Why both rest cases got failed? Go to the sign in. So this is 1 and this is 2. Why it failed? Okay, authentication. Okay, expected is authentication. Actually, we should get this one actually. I think I have given this my account. Okay, so go back to your test case. We have to find out, verify the my account page displayed or not. Here what I am doing actually, I am verifying the my account. Instead of my account, I have to verify authentication. So paste this one. It is my wrong. And now run this. So one test case will pass, another test case will fail. Why? Because first test case will pass. What happened? That is also failed. Actually, it is not clicking on the sign in link. Why it is not clicking on the, we have asked, right, to click in the program. Okay, now it is working. It is working. But ultimately, if you notice, we have to click on the sign in. Okay, then it is verifying the my account. That is correct only command. It is not clicking on the sign in. Why? Let's do one thing. Sign in test case. Go here.
Sir,
Okay.
dot clickable is sir.
Uh, yeah, you should. Okay, good catch. Okay, perfect. Yeah, now I change it back to again my account only. It should be my account only, not this one. So now go back to your code and run this. So one test case will fail, another test case will pass. Why? Because first test case is passing because the username and password is correct, and the second test case is failing because the username and password is invalid. Okay, so it started the first one, and it will enter the username and password clicking on the sign in, and now it will validate that and it will pass the test case. And now what it is doing actually, it is running the second test case. Okay, and it is clicking on the sign in. See, it will fail actually now. Okay, so if you go back to your code, okay, it will show you two scenarios. Okay, and total 8 steps, 2 scenarios. Okay, so 31 M1 fail and 32 M7 pass. Okay, you don't understand such language, but what you can do it is, you can see it here. Okay, there are two test cases. If you know, one test case, two test case, sign in test case 001 and sign in test case 002. When you expand the sign in test case 001, right, it is pass. You can see here the icon, it is pass, and the below one it is showing the cross more, which is failed. See this, all the steps are pass, and here it is total 4 step, the fourth step is failed. Why? Because on the fourth step you are verifying using some assets. Okay, that asset is failing actually. Okay, that's the problem. So this is how you can validate. Okay, so what you do it is, till here you practice. Okay, I know, so today some lots of gaps actually. I will cover the same thing tomorrow also. Okay, with high level, and after that what we'll do it is, we are having few more annotations. Actually, we haven't started learning the proper annotations. We learned only run with Cucumber and run with Cucumber options. Okay, and tomorrow we learn there is a two annotations, which is before and also after. Okay, only annotation of before, annotation of after. Okay, we're having those two annotations. Okay, and then what we'll do it is we will learn how to generate the reports. Okay, and if there is a step is not available, and how to mark the test case as a pass. Okay, so all those things will run. Okay, generating the reports using HTML, generating the reports using JSONs, and generating the reports using XML. All those things will learn. Okay, people will ask such questions. Okay, all for all the answers with a very single line it can be done. Okay, I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, for now you just practice. I'll recap the same thing tomorrow again. Okay, by tomorrow we are completing the Cucumber. Okay, day after tomorrow we are starting the uh, REST API. Okay.